Rebecca and Carol are sisters. Both work at Arnot Health. Working at Arnot Ogden Medical Center is practically a tradition for this family, one that didn't start with the two of them.
Our mother actually was a graduate of Arnot School of Nursing years ago, and it was 1992, and she was a nurse here ever since.
She spent most of her time on 3C and occasionally found herself lending a hand on tough cases in the emergency room.
Loved her job, loved the Arnot. She loved it.
And when her life was coming to an end, she found herself seeking comfort care at the same hospital she dedicated so much time to.
They explained everything they did. They made extraneous efforts to, come in and just see how we were when we came in to visit. I just can't say enough good, and that takes a lot of teamwork.
Yes.
Brandon Carson works as an RN on 4B. He says it's important to leave an impact not only on the patient, but the family they leave behind.
I've been doing this for like 13 or 14 years now, so it's not easier every time you do it, but there becomes like a more easy pathway that's recognizable to help guide people along.
That path isn't something that can be taught in nursing school. Through talks with the family, the 4B team took one small bit of information and turned it into a grand gesture.
The team honored Carol's mother by playing her favorite Alan Jackson gospel music, keeping it on continuously until she passed.
Brandon says he always tries to put himself in the shoes of the person he's caring for.
If it was my last moments, I think I would want to be surrounded by my loved ones, the things that I cared about most, the music that I liked, those kind of things.
Something as simple as playing a song during their moment of grief made them feel nothing but
Love.
Well, when you love somebody a lot, you want what's the very best for them. You can be very fearful about how others are taking care of them. If they feel like you feel, will they, take care of them like you would? And they did.
ICU nurses also had a heart rhythm strip printed for them to keep, a small piece of their mother that they can take anywhere. For Arnot Health, I'm Lexi Cutmore.